Hey guys, James McGuire here with Lenovo Smart Collab here at TD SYNNEX InVision event. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys a little bit about the latest in conference room technology from Lenovo, which is the ThinkSmart Core Gen 2. Now this is the first ever room PC specifically designed with AI technology in mind. It uses a specialized neural processing unit along with an upgraded CPU and GPU to run all of the AI functionality of tomorrow's conference spaces. One of the other great pieces of functionality that the Gen 2 has is the first ever Teams Room certified compute that has the ability to do bring your own meeting without any additional third-party technology required. Now here we have it showcased with our ThinkSmart Bar 180, which is great for small and medium rooms up to about 20 by 20 feet. But one of the great aspects of ThinkSmart today is that it integrates with any Teams or Zoom Room certified peripheral, so you can use the power of Lenovo compute with your camera, microphone, and speakers of choice. For additional questions about Smart Collab in the future, please see us at smartcollab.us.